We have come to another obstacle.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the leaves, but I heard some.
I got it.
You got it? All right.
Yeah, man, I'm ninja. I can do this while holding a camera.
Yeah, these were natural movements that we did.
It looks like we succeeded for now in not falling into the water.
Oh my god!
Magna, no! Hey, Dad, a few words for the episode?
Tristan just told me that he's freaking ninja. From what I've seen, he is.
Hey, Landon, any words for the episode?
Yeah, you're doing good.
Yeah! Mom, any questions?
Any questions?
Or any comments on the...
Don't fall in.
Don't fall in. That's good advice.